Hit it. Hit it again. 1, 2. Okay, nice and snug now. Let me spray my brakes a little bit. I'll put that back on. Okay, put the caliper back on. My brake in place here. Must be already set. There. Okay, this one more. I should just fit both of them in there. It's not going to work. Okay, got our caliper back on here. Get the pins in there, we're good to go. Get the pins in here, we'll be good to go. Okay, my emergency brake paddle is back in operation here. It's not going all the way down like it was before. I adjusted both the left and rear star adjuster on my rear emergency brake, and as you can see, it's really hard to push now, so job well done. If I can do it, you can do it. This is a 1998 Ford Explorer. My name is Elbert Wilhite, and everything's looking good. Next project, please. This is the 2001 Dodge Neon. We're cleaning the pads here and got the bridge caliper off. I'm going to spray my brakes here and spray my rotor on this 2001 Dodge Neon. Get some of the brake dust off there. Get my cleaner. Just spray it real good. Spray the rotor real good. Spray the rotor. put it all back together. Okay. Set the roller back up there. It's kind of setting back in place. Go back. I think this one's a bit different. Slide this over. I think I gotta take the outer brake off to get this on. Okay, this is the 2001 Dodge Neon. See that the brake master cylinder here at the brake fluid is dirty. So we're going to attempt to drain it and put some new fluid in. I don't have that much right now, but I'm going to go to the rear. It says when you are trying to pump the brakes, to clean the brake lines, you should start from the furthest one away, which would be the right rear. So we go all the way around here. To the right, right here. Tina in the car talking right here while I'm working. So I'm going to the back. Okay, this is my brake line tool here that gets the air out of the brake system. I got it connected to the right rear of this 2001 Dodge Neon. The first thing I need to do is get the brake line screw here loose, and I loosened up just a little, and I got my tubing on here. It's going up to the brake screw there, and here's the pump right here on the ground. So this pump here, it's a hand pump connected to this tubing. This reservoir here, and the tubing connects from the pump to the reservoir, and from the reservoir all the way up to the brake line. So we're going to pump and get some of the old fluid out and put some new fluid in. And as we pump, this is going to get filled up. Once it gets filled up, I'm going to have to disconnect. I'm going to have to tighten the screw, disconnect, and dump out the old fluid. So this is what we're doing today. Draining the right rear brake line. This is where you start. You started from the furthest brake line, the furthest one that's from the brake master cylinder. So stand by. My name is Albert Wilhite. This is a Dodge Neon 2001 project trying to clean out the brake master cylinder that has dirty brake fluid in it. So stand by. Again, this is my brake line. Again, this is my brake line pump from Harbor Freight. Okay, I'm going to loosen up brake line screw here. As you can see, some old fluid coming in here. Have to get the camera down a little lower. You can see the as I pump this, you can see the fluid coming down. This is the dirty brake fluid coming inside of the reservoir, the reservoir. Well, I'll just say this container. The old fluid is flowing in the container as I pump this brake line tool here from Harbor Freight. As you see me pumping, you can see that the old brake fluid is coming inside of this container. This is how you clean your brake lines by hand. It works pretty good. Old fluid is still coming in. This is like a vacuum as I pump here. The old fluid is coming inside of this container. And once the container gets full, I'm going to have to dump it and replace the brake master cylinder with some fresh fluid.